Love was a gardener, not in the way of soil and seeds, but in the way of hearts and souls. She wore a dress spanned from the first rays of dawn, and everywhere she walked, flowers bloomed in an instant. The shy blush of a new crush, the steadfast crimson of a parent's bond, the fragile white of a shared memory. Her hands were always warm, her laugh a sound of wind chimes, and she spent her days tending to the delicate, joyful, and often chaotic gardens of humanity. Death was a horizon, not in the way of a cliff's edge, but in the way of a quiet, peaceful boundary. He wore a cloak the color of twilight, and his footsteps were so soft that they left no mark on the ground. He was a sentinel, the one who held the door between here and there. He did not take, he received. He was not a destroyer. He was a silent, gentle guide, and he watched love from a distance, seeing her vibrant energy and the beautiful brief lives she tended. One day, their paths crossed on a field of starlight. Love was tending to a constellation he had grown for two souls who had found each other under a summer sky. Death was there to greet the star that had completed its journey. "Your work is beautiful," Death said, his voice a soft rustle of leaves. "You make the universe feel so full." Love smiled, her light beaming just slightly in his presence, not out of fear, but a natural, peaceful reverence. "And yours is just as beautiful," she replied. "You make room for my next garden, and without your quiet hand, there would be no space for new constellations to form." They knew they could not be together. Their very essences were a perfect and bending paradox. Love was the beginning, and death was the end. To touch would be to nullify their purpose. Yet, standing there under the eternal night, they shared a profound understanding. "I see the sadness in the farewell you tend," Love said, "but I also see the warmth of the memories you carry. You do not erase my work, you preserve it like a photograph. And I see the pain you feel when a bloom fades," Death responded, his dark eyes kind. "But I also see the new seeds you carry in your hand, always ready for the next spring." They stood together for only a moment, a perfect balance of light and shadow, creation and completion. Then they parted ways. Love continued on her journey, her hands full of a new life and her heart full of hope. Death continued on his, a quiet guide for the stars that had run their course. They were forever separate, yet eternally bound by the single beautiful cycle they served together.